we met during the beginning of the program, and
Yeah.
obviously at that time, everyone has doubts in whether it's going to work or not. And of course, Luke had what, 3 years of history
Yep.
of having this problem.
Yep.
And well, here we are,
Yeah.
12 weeks later. What do you think in your opinion about the result?
I am 100% satisfied, happy. Luke has struggled with injuries. 3 years is probably conservative. I would say 3 to 5 years. I
Right.
felt like he was always hurt in some capacity, whether it kept him from playing or just he played through pain. I tried to treat his symptoms, which he was getting no relief from. He might feel okay for a day or two, it would come back. So I would say the biggest benefit would be definitely um, injuries. Luke struggled kind of training day to day. If he had training on consecutive days, I mean, he kind of struggled with it, to be honest. And now I don't think he has an issue with it at all. In fact, he's doing your training on the side, he's doing extra training outside of his everyday training. So, yeah, I think his recovery has improved a lot.
Well, this is all thanks to the advancement in fascia.
Yeah,
So
no, it's fantastic.
yeah, so one part I want to ask you is like many people don't know about this. Like, for example, in the physical therapy, um, in the I guess for the previous education that was given to the physical therapist, was there any in-depth review of fascia?
To be honest, no.
No.
We talk about myofascial release,
Right.
but that's not a sustained change at all in the tissue. And so in my schooling, it's all about musculoskeletal. It's all muscles,
Right.
stretching, strengthening, and try and just reduce compensation strategies with movement patterns. But it does not look into the fascia at all. I mean, I didn't learn any of that in school. Another thing that I really noticed with Luke is his balance has improved quite a bit. I mean, on the soccer field, I wouldn't say he got pushed off the ball a lot, but
Hmm.
now I don't see him get pushed off the ball at all.
Very good.
That's a huge change, I think. Wouldn't you
Right.
say, Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, his glutes got way stronger than before because before, on the simple things like tall curls, we had really no glutes response.
Yeah,
So, but his body really naturally is favoring the fascia. So we did the stimulation, we did the proper rest, proper stimulation, proper diet, and boom, his body changes. So
yeah,
so that's really exciting because we don't know how high his ceiling is. Maybe at this rate he could, even have a chance to be a pro. Who knows?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I would love that.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, thank you so much. And
But
we
I
have a
appreciate it. And Luke
yeah.
has really enjoyed doing your program, and it's helped him a ton. I appreciate all the time you spent on him, and yeah, he's really
Yeah.
enjoyed the program.
Great. Yeah, it was a quick 12 weeks.
Yeah, it did go by pretty quick.